Here in this video, I will tell you what is Aarogya Setu app and why our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has requested every Indian many times to have this app in their mobile phones. You will also know how to download this app. This app is available for both Android and iPhone users. Here I will tell you steps to download this app for Android. Same steps can be followed for iPhone also. First, start with how you can download the Aarogya Setu app. To download this app for Android, first go to Play Store and type here Arogya Setu. Here is the app. As I have already installed it, I need not to install it again. You see, more than 50 million people have downloaded it. Actually, this app is to connect health services with the people of India to fight COVID-19. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to open it. Now I will tell you how you can use this app, how it is so helpful that everyone should have this app. Here are some basic instructions and information regarding coronavirus pandemic COVID-19. So click on the next, and here you see register now. So I'm clicking on register now. Here are some terms of service and privacy. You can read it. Here it says that for this app to work, I need to turn on my Bluetooth and location. This app needs the access to the location, so allow it, and also it needs that I should have my Bluetooth turned on. I have turned on my Bluetooth and location. Now it is asking for my mobile number, so enter your mobile number here. It will send you an OTP on your mobile, the registered mobile number that you have entered here. And now after getting OTP, it will automatically fill that OTP and you need to click on submit. Now my mobile number has been registered. So after registration of your mobile number, you will see this screen. Here is your status. So in this status, you will see these things like first is that this app recommends is take self-assessment test, and second is maintain social distance, and then check app regularly for updates. Here are some instructions like how to maintain social distancing, and you can see other things like COVID-19 do's and don'ts, learn more about COVID-19 and safety measures against COVID-19. So next thing is self-assess. So I'm clicking on self-assess. It is saying that accurate answers help us and help you better. Medical and support staff are valuable and very limited. Be a responsible citizen. So you need to answer each question asked here correctly. So click on OK, got it. First question is, are you experiencing any of the following symptoms like cough, fever, difficulty in breathing, or none of the above? As I have no issues like this, so I'm clicking on none of these. Okay. Have you ever had any of the following like diabetes, hypertension, lung disease, and heart disease? So none of the above for me. Have you traveled anywhere internationally in the last 14 days? So my answer is no for this question. Which of the following apply to you? First option is I have recently interacted or lived with someone who has tested positive for COVID-19. So it is not so for me. I am a healthcare worker and I examined a COVID-19 confirmed case without protective gear. So none of the above. My answer is none of the above. You can fill the correct information, the best information that you know. So after this, click on OK. It is saying that your infection risk is low. We recommend that you stay at home to avoid any chance of exposure to the novel coronavirus. And it is also asking me to retake the self-assessment test if you develop symptoms or come in contact with a COVID-19 confirmed patient. After self-assessment test, there is an option also for this COVID updates. You can check here in the app this COVID-19 cases overview. These are updated 6 hours 19 minutes ago, 19 April 2020. These are the confirmed cases. It is for across India, confirmed, recovered, and deceased. Okay, so you can see confirmed, recovered, and deceased cases as per your state. You can see information about your state. So in this way I have taken the self-assessment test, and some informations are also available. So it is recommended that you keep updating your information. If you feel that you have any of the symptoms related to this COVID-19, then please update your informations and go to the self-assess test and update your answers as they are asked here. Keep it in mind that you need to turn on your location and Bluetooth always. Only then this app can work. So friends, this is a great initiative by the government of India to control COVID-19. So I request all of you to have this app in your mobile phone. You can click on the link that has been given on the description of this video. Just click on this and you can download this app. So I hope guys you like this video, and for more such informative and helpful videos you can subscribe my channel Engineering Made Easy. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.